Skipper.
Okay, see Skipper.
Yes, right. There you go. Now first let me get in.
Okay, I'm following you.
Okay, go to here.
There's some babies. Oh, who is that? Skipper. Hi, Skipper.
I'll show you.
And who is Skipper?
It is like a cow. Mommy, so much flies. Come see something.
Okay, what am I looking at?
Look.
So many flies in there. Yuck. I bet he's hungry.
Yes.
Hi, Skipper. Come here, Skipper. Come here, Skipper.
Come here, Skipper.
Aw. Don't yell. Oh,
Oh, Mama, I'm not getting in here.
oh, probably should wait, baby.
Why?
Let's wait till Daddy gets out here. Hi, Skipper.
Hi, Skipper. Oh, we need houses.
Because you don't have boots on, and
Oh.
we forgot our boots, so it's just probably not a good idea. Skipper.
Skipper. Skipper. Skipper.
Come here, Skipper. Come here, Skipper. Oh, he's coming.
Oh, it's going in that house.
He's hiding.
It's dark in there.
Yeah.
It's okay, Skipper. Come here. Mommy, I can't.
Okay, but you gotta be super careful. Let him come to us.
Mommy.
Oh, she wants to eat. Oh. He wants to eat. Okay, well just don't move.
Oh, you got mud on the eye.
Oh, you scared him again.
What?
He's eating. Oh, you keep scaring him. Those flies are bugging him.
Yes, it's bugging me
He's
too.
cute, isn't he?
Yeah, it's eating all the flies.
He won't let me pet him though. He's still kind of scared. We need to come out here more and let him, so he'll let us pet him. He gets close to us. That's good. Huh, Ray?
Yes.
We love him.
Yes, I got my glasses on because I don't want to get a sunburn.
Oh, you got your glasses on so you don't get a sunburn. That sounds
Good?
Yeah, sounds like a great plan. I just want him. Oh, he touched me.
Oh, touch me, touch.
He's so cute. He's so cute. We're gonna have to come out more so he'll let us love on him. Like our goats.
Ew.
Just hold your hand out really nice and I bet he'll come in.
You want more?
He wants more, I know. Wonder if I can. There you go. Try.
So much flies are in there. I can't eat this video this day.
We'll have to tell Daddy he's hungry.
Yeah. Oh, Mommy, I found weeds. Oh, I found weeds.
Oh, weeds?
Yes.
Do you think he'll eat any of those?
Yes, they will. I sure. Okay, Mommy. You want these?
Oh, look, Ray, he let me pet him.
Oh, eat this.
He's hungry. He must think I have. Oh, you scared him again, or I did.
Okay, come.
Come here, Skipper.
Come here, Skipper.
Come here, Skip.
Mommy, he hands him this.
Well, don't put it in there. You can sit on the ground, throw it on the ground. We'll have to go tell Daddy he's hungry.
Okay.
Come here. Come here, baby. No. Come here, baby.
Yeah, Very hard.
He's cute.
Yes, ma'am. Big Bob Papa.
He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, are we ready to go?
No.
Wanna go see Daddy? Look, he's running and playing. Come here, Skip.
I'm scared.
So let's go show everybody our other goats.
No.
Well, look, we can see Pongo from here.
Yes.
Careful. Hi, baby goats. Hi, babers. We love you guys. Yes, we do.
Oh, hi, baby.
Hi, mamas.
Hi, Mama.
There's Pongo over there. Hi, Pongo. Hi, sweet boy. Why don't we go pet Pongo?
Why? You didn't go for cheeks.
Hi, babies. I know, we didn't bring Pongo treats. That's okay. Let's just go pet him. Come here, Pongo.
Oh, I'm really
Hi, handsome. Come here, Pongers. Hi, Pongers. Hi,
Oh,
handsome.
I want to eat something.
Hi, handsome boy.
Mama, get him this.
Yeah, oh, I don't think he'd eat that. Hi,
Oh,
handsome boy.
it's oh, Pongo. I like the gown.
We get to ride Pongo here soon.
Oh, mommy. Mommy.
Hi, Pongo.
Mom-
Hi, handsome.
Mommy. Get him this. I put it on the mouth.
Hi, handsome boy.
Mommy, look what I got. No. No.
You
No,
don't want him to love on you?
No. Mommy,
Hi,
please get him this.
handsome. We should just go in there and love on him. You can try. Oh. All right, tell everyone bye.
No.
You want to tell your viewers bye?
No.
Say, hi, I'm Barbie. What's up?
I'm Bobby. What's up?
See you later. Peace. Oh, gotta love our babies. Say bye, Ray.
No.
Tell your viewers bye.
No.
Why? You're getting away from me? Why?
They want to.
Oh. Okay, love you.
I want Grandma.
You tutorbug. You're a grandma?
Yes. And I already got gas.
All right, let's go tell Daddy Skipper's hungry.
No.
Yeah, you don't want Skipper to be hungry, do you?
Yeah.
No, that's not how we love our animals.
Mommy,